this crap? It's my freaking... Oh my god, that's so annoying. Hold on a second here. There we go. You guys hear that crap? That's my speakers in the car. Even when nothing's playing. You probably can't see me right now. Because, again, I'm driving. But that's the speakers in my car. Even when nothing's playing, if the volume's up, it'll do that. But not all the time. Sometimes it'll go weeks without doing that. And I can play it at whatever volume. And everything's fine. Everything sounds crisp and clear and everything. And then sometimes it'll just do that. I have no idea why. I don't know if anybody out there knows what causes it, why it does it, and why it's only sometimes. Like normally when a speaker's broken or when something's wrong with it or whatever, it'll do that all the time or most of the time. But this doesn't. It's like every so often, and nothing specific will trigger it. I can do this same exact thing every single day for a month, and it'll only do it like 2 or 3 times that month, even though I did the same thing the entire time. Doesn't matter if the cell phone's charging or not. It doesn't matter if I'm using the cell phone or not. I could be using the car's radio, it'll still do it. It doesn't matter what volume it's at, as long as the volume is 5 or above, because you can't hear anything unless it's that high, it'll do it. So I don't understand what triggers it. I don't understand why it doesn't do it all the time. I don't understand it at all. So if anybody knows, and if it matters, this is a PT Cruiser, 2002 PT Cruiser. So yeah, it is old, and I understand that that's probably one reason, yeah. But like, if anybody knows exactly what it is, or they have an idea of what it could be, because again, normally when a speaker's broken, it'll just always do that. But like, if obviously it is broken, but like in a different way than just completely broken. It's like, it's something that just happens very rarely, but when it does, it's so freaking annoying, and you can't make it stop at all. So if anybody knows, let me know in the comments down below. Yeah, I just wanted to bring that up. I'm glad that I got it on camera, because sometimes when like I bring the camera out getting ready to film it, then it stops and it doesn't happen again. So I don't get it. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. I don't know if you've seen that.